One of the most common questions we hear is Toyota actually more reliable than Honda? The short answer is yes, and independent research explains why. Both brands build exceptional, long-lasting vehicles, but the real differences show up in long-term ownership, high mileage, hybrid technology, and resale value. Let's look at what the data actually says. If you're planning to keep your vehicle for 10 years or longer, third-party data shows Toyota generally has the edge in long-term reliability. Independent organizations like Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and iSeeCars consistently rank both Toyota and Honda among the most dependable automakers in the world. But Toyota regularly leads overall durability studies. That doesn't mean Honda isn't reliable. It absolutely is. The better choice depends on how you drive, how long you plan to own the vehicle, and which specific models you're comparing. Consumer Reports surveys hundreds of thousands of vehicle owners every year to identify real-world reliability trends. In its latest predicted reliability rankings, Toyota reclaimed the #1 overall spot as the most reliable brand in the industry, while Honda also placed among the top-performing automakers. That distinction matters because these rankings reflect actual owner experiences, not marketing claims or lab tests. Toyota's biggest advantage is its consistency across the entire lineup, from sedans and SUVs to trucks and hybrids. Data from RepairPal shows both brands feature annual repair costs well below the industry average. While Honda edges out a tiny advantage on routine maintenance costs, Toyota often stands out after 150,000 or even 200,000 miles, with many owners experiencing fewer major unexpected repairs over the full life of the vehicle. Long-term durability research from iSeeCars consistently places several Toyota models at the top of its list for vehicles most likely to reach 250,000 miles or more, including the Sequoia, 4Runner, Tundra, and Tacoma. Honda also builds vehicles known for exceptional longevity, like the Accord, Civic, CR-V, and Pilot. The main takeaway isn't that a Honda can't last, it's that Toyota's truck, SUV, and hybrid lineups historically dominate these extreme high-mileage studies. A fair, balanced comparison recognizes Honda's genuine strengths. Many drivers prefer Honda's responsive handling, efficient powertrains, and well-designed interiors in popular models like the Accord, Civic, CR-V, and Odyssey. If you enjoy a slightly sportier driving feel while still expecting top-tier reliability, Honda remains Toyota's strongest competitor. One of the biggest misconceptions is that reliability is determined by the logo on the grille alone. In reality, maintenance history often matters more than brand reputation. A well-maintained Honda will easily outlast a neglected Toyota. Regular oil changes, factory-scheduled maintenance, quality parts, and responsible driving habits play the biggest role in how long any vehicle stays on the road. If you plan to keep your vehicle for 10 years or longer, drive high annual mileage, want proven hybrid technology, or prioritize maximum resale value down the road, Toyota is usually the stronger fit. If you prefer a sportier driving feel, love models like the Accord or Civic, or simply prefer Honda's styling and cabin ergonomics, Honda is an outstanding option. Both brands make incredible vehicles. The right choice comes down to your personal priorities. This comparison was brought to you by the team at Freeman Toyota in Hurst. If you're comparing specific models, like the Camry versus Accord, RAV4 versus CR-V, or Tacoma versus Ridgeline, you can explore detailed comparison guides right here on our website. Or stop by our dealership in Hurst. We'd be happy to answer your questions, walk through the data, and help you find the right vehicle for how you actually drive.